Mr. Matty Ice.
And I'm Victoria, and we love to travel.
See, we've both been in several different countries around the world where the only thing we have had is a backpack. The 5 steps. There's one that you have to always remember when you're backpacking, and it is too. So today what we're going to do is tell you 5 things that you have to remember when backpacking, whether it be on a
Plane, train, or automobile.
So, grab your backpack with us and learn the 5. Actually, it might be like more than 5 because we're gonna go into different rooms and I don't know what hers will be and she doesn't know what mine will be. So you might get 10. You might get 5, 6, 7, 8. I don't know. I'm messing the whole thing up.
Right.
We need to tell them at the beginning to like, subscribe, and share. Oh, okay. So let's just do this.
Is it recording right now?
Yes, it is. Hey, what's up? It's Future Matt and Vic.
And we're gonna watch our videos and take notes and commentate them as we go.
So, enjoy what past Matt and Vic had to say are the most important things when packing a backpack to travel wherever you're traveling. Alright, I have 5 steps. The 5 steps. There's one that you have to always remember when you're backpacking, and it is too. That's right, pack that toilet paper. It's sweet because you can just tuck some hand sanitizer in there as well. I like to just keep it on the outside, or if you want to tuck it in the bottom. And yeah, I would also encourage you to bring this as well. One, because in case this gets wet, won't ruin your toilet paper, and you'll have a place to put it afterwards.
All right, number 1, practicality. So you have to think about, what do you need? What do you think you might need? What do you have to think ahead, all right? And so everything else is going to fall under this number 1 umbrella of practicality.
The video said that I'm the prepared one. What? I'm the one who's prepared. She's usually the one prepared.
Listen, it's practicality. I'm thinking ahead. Accessibility. I like to put this little wristlet guy inside of my backpack. And so I've got my wallet in here, a zipper compartment for my passport, travel medicine in here, and chapstick, hand sanitizer, and headphones, and my phone, and all those things that I know I'm going to want super accessible right here in this little guy. Sure, Swiss Gear says, you know, they've got all these pockets right here, but things get lost, and you can't reach them, and it's just difficult, right?
Step number 2, make sure you keep safe things safe, such as your passport and your wallet. Yes, I have a little change pouch in mine whenever you're traveling. Other different currencies might be a little bit more coin-based, so make sure you have that. And then make sure you have your sunglasses and your phone. I put these all together because sunglasses don't want to get scratched or anything.
So number 2, accessibility.
So step 2, make sure that safe things stay safe. Great minds think alike.
Pockets, pouches, fanny packs, backpacks, zipper compartments, pockets.
Pockets, some more pockets?
More pockets, more zipper compartments.
Hey,
more
listen, buy that Witzman thing or whatever. Where's your pouch thing come from?
Amazon.
The links will be below, so buy those things. Just have a bunch of pockets.
But not too many pockets.
Not too many. You'll get confused. You'll be like, where are my things?
Too many pockets.
Yeah, that'll definitely happen. Step 3 is make sure that the front pockets do what you want them to do. With this Witzman, I have 2 pockets that I use. I use this one up here for my deodorant and my small or toothpaste if I'm flying, or that one there, my ibuprofen, my mints. And then in this bottom one here, I put my charger down there, I put my headphones down there, and any other type of technology I may be using, I put in this bottom part there, leaving this one open for just spur of the moment. Also, something else I put in here would be a pen.
Number 3, which I like to call hygiene and comfort. For instance, if I'm just taking a trip across the ocean or to Saipan, which takes like 30 hours, I want to make sure that I've got everything in there and I'm not sitting cold on a plane because I forgot to bring a sweatshirt. I've got a sweatshirt packed in here. If it's summertime, you might be wearing sandals on the plane. And you know what? Your toes may get cold. Socks. Don't judge me. I can't find my toothbrush hat. I don't know what it is. Can't find it. So, but anyway, you gotta have a toothbrush. And I purposely did not finish this toothpaste to pack it in my backpack because I don't have any more travel-sized ones. Deodorant, very important.
Man, we are on a roll together. Put that deodorant on and brush them teeth. Ain't nobody want to smell that nasty breath.
I changed the toothbrush head, by the way.
Yeah, she was like, make sure you're 100% hygiene, and then she pulls it out of the backpack. I was like, gross, and she's like, I changed the head of it.
Not an animal.
So then I will just tell you 3 things about how to pack the inside of your bag. Take your sandals and you use them as a side and leave a place for them to line the sides of your backpack. Make sure you fold and roll. So how do you do that? Take your outfit, you fold it like that, and then you roll it up just like that. You get way more room in your bag, making sure you have your thing, whatever that may be. Also, this nice blanket, it's from the Philippines. You can just hop in there, it's sweet. So I like to fold and roll that, and I place that on the very top of the inside of my bag.
Number 4. This is especially important if you are taking your backpack as your only bag when you're going somewhere. You need to roll your clothes. My parents taught me this when I was really young. My dad would go on motorcycle trips with just a saddlebag, duffel bag, and he would roll his clothes, and he would fit so much in there, even though he doesn't pack that much, but he would fit so much. So my parents were always like, roll your clothes, you fit so much. And they were right. Thanks, Mom and Dad.
Wow, great minds still thinking like, that's 3 in a row, like we're straight up shooters balling.
Number 5, that would be to, again, be prepared. You might have a layover. You might have a long flight. You may not be able to sleep on that long flight, so you gotta have things to do. You gotta be prepared. Have a book, a notebook, and a pen in my accessibility pouch. Side note, pens are always helpful for custom forms too, because they don't give you a pen to fill those things out. Put one in here. Entertainment, you wanna make sure you've got your headphones and your adapter for your headphones, because phone companies think that they should take away the auxiliary ports. I don't know what they're thinking. And so along with that, your phone, and make sure that you've got chargers. And lastly, with being prepared, you don't know when that snack cart's coming, and some water. So when you get through security, fill that water bottle up. All right?
This video would not be a running water events production if I did not talk about water. A lot of airports have the overpour. You can just put this in there. You can push the button, fill that baby up, sit it on the top of the inside if you want, or if you have a little clip, you can clip that there. So clipping it, putting stuff in the side pockets, having extra clips there, very, very helpful.
See, I said be prepared.
Yes, number 5, be prepared. Here are the 5-ish essentials you need to know when going on an adventure with your backpack.
Number 1, practicality, AKA be prepared. Number 2, accessibility, pockets, keeping those
Pockets,
safe things
pockets,
safe.
pockets.
Buckets of pockets. Number 3, comfort, hygiene, staying clean and not smelly.
Yeah, now would be the time to talk about the KF80, our sponsor. So roll the tape.
Let's see what Google Translate translates this to. +1, large scale quasi-drug. KF80, made in Korea. Korea filter approved by Korea Food and Drug Administration. That's good. 04 Jongju Cho. Ultra elastic filter blocks, fine dust and yellow dust. Fine dust and yellow dust. What do they think of next? Number 4, fold and roll. Keep those clothes rolled tight. Number 5, be prepared again. Think ahead.
All about that water. And number 6, make sure you comment below and tell us what you like to put in your go bag on whatever adventure you are taking. And number 7, make sure you subscribe so you can see all our adventures when we're taking our bags wherever. And like next week when we're going back to the States. And number 8, always remember, I'm Pastor Matty Ice.
And I'm Victoria.
Stay chill and float on.
Let me know when you're ready. I want to go ahead and turn that air on the other room for you.
Huh?
Recording.
Oh, okay.